Where are we?
At the Hoover Dam.
At the Hoover Dam.
I think we should just go home now. I don't even think we should go to
Yeah,
Vegas.
forget Vegas, man. This is where it's at. That's where the party's at.
Very much ready to go.
Look at this drop.
So they take you down inside the sea?
Yeah.
Where do you go? Where does it go? Where?
It goes like an elevator. It goes in here.
And then what do you do down there?
I don't know. You see everything that's the inner workings, I guess. Yeah, Delilah. What, hey?
Up there where that bus was going. Why is it
Going back onto the freeway, I guess.
Oh, really?
That is pretty good, wouldn't you say?
Yeah. Very exciting.
Good stuff, good stuff. Okay. Enough of this historical crap. Let's go to Vegas.